A single-dad waiter saved a young woman in the rain. Days later, his daughter recognized her on TV. The city lay washed in winter rain. Heavy sheets poured from a dark sky, drumming against rooftops and glistening pavement. Streetlights flickered gold across puddles, making the sidewalks glow like wet glass. It was a night when most people rushed to shelter, hunched beneath umbrellas. Ben Carter, 36, stepped out the back door of the diner where he worked. His shift had run late, again. He tucked a white takeout box under one arm, flipped up the collar of his jacket, and opened his umbrella. The box held leftover mac and cheese, Sophie's favorite. As usual, he cut through the park. It was faster, quieter, even in the rain. His boots splashed softly through puddles as he walked. Then he heard it. A sharp clatter, metal on concrete, a short gasp. Ben slowed. Near the trees ahead, he saw a young woman crouched on the ground. One knee soaked in a puddle, she was frantically gathering her spilled belongings. Her purse lay open, coins scattered, a torn wallet, a cracked phone, one high heel broken, the other missing. Her hair was soaked and clung to her cheeks. Her coat's left strap was ripped. Her lip. Was that blood? She wasn't crying, wasn't calling out, just trembling, struggling to zip her purse with shaking hands. Ben's gut clenched. She had been mugged. He scanned the dark around them, but whoever had done it was long gone. She didn't look at him, didn't speak. Ben approached slowly. He didn't ask if she was okay, didn't push. He simply stepped beside her and tilted his umbrella over her head. She flinched slightly but didn't pull away. Then, without a word, he took off his jacket and gently placed it on her shoulders. From behind, careful, quiet. She turned. Her face was pale, eyes wide, mascara smudged but not running. Her expression was not panicked, just exhausted. Her voice when she finally spoke was low and hoarse. "Thank you." Ben crouched beside her. "Let me help." She shook her head quickly. "Please, no police, no ambulance." Their eyes met. Her fear was real, but so was something else, a kind of worn-down strength, a silence Ben recognized. "Okay," he said. "No questions." He helped her up. She leaned into his arm, just briefly, then straightened. He gathered her scattered things and handed them over. "Come on," he said. "I know a place. It's warm. It's close." She hesitated, then followed. The diner's 24-hour lights glowed over faded booths and chipped tiles. He led her to a corner table and ordered 2 cups of ginger tea. While she waited, she sat motionless, gripping the cup when it came like it might disappear. Ben returned and sat down. She spoke softly. "I didn't think anyone would stop." He nodded. "Someone always should." She looked at him for a long second, then said, "Lila." "Ben." That was it. 15 minutes later, a sleek black car pulled up outside. She stood quickly. "That's my ride." She adjusted the coat, his coat, and looked back at him. Her voice was quieter this time. "I won't forget this." A beat passed. "Thank you for treating me like a human being." Then she left. Ben remained standing at the window. His coat was still warm. He didn't know her story, didn't know what she'd run from, but something about her eyes stayed with him, eyes that looked like the storm had lived inside them far longer than tonight. That night, when he got home, Sophie was asleep at the table, curled around her spelling book. Ben covered her with a blanket, set the food on the counter, and stood in the kitchen a long time, still thinking of Lila. The next morning, sunlight broke through gray clouds. The TV played softly during breakfast. Sophie, mid-spoonful, suddenly pointed. "Daddy, that's the nice lady, the one who helps people. I want to be like her." Ben turned toward the screen. There she was, Lila Monroe, founder of Voices Reclaimed, speaking gently in an interview about advocacy, hope, and healing. Her voice calm, her presence steady. It was her. Sophie hadn't seen her face last night, but somehow she knew. Ben smiled faintly. "Yes," he said, "she's very special." And for the first time in a long while, something shifted inside him. Something small, quiet, but real. 1 week later, the rain was just a memory. The sun filtered through the tall windows of the city's public library, painting golden lines across the old wooden floors. It was a quiet Saturday morning, Ben's favorite kind. He walked slowly beside his daughter Sophie, who gripped a colorful tote bag with a cartoon fox on it, ready to fill it with books. They visited the library most weekends. It was their little ritual: borrow stories, make up new ones, then stop by the food truck on the way home for hot cocoa and fries. Sophie skipped ahead to the children's section, her pigtails bouncing. She was already flipping through a picture book before Ben had even turned the corner. He smiled, then wandered deeper into the atrium to wait. That was when he noticed the table. It was set up near the reading area, folding chairs, stacks of donated books, and a small banner that read, "Legal Aid and Literacy Outreach for Women." Volunteers handed out flyers and chatted with visitors. And standing among them, with quiet confidence, was Lila. She was speaking to an older woman clutching a large print mystery novel, nodding kindly as she explained something about tenant rights.